So this is my own monthly planner. This is my own Nga Tohu that I use at home. And in the Ngamata layout, I colour my different phases into what I know are the energies and sort of associated activities with different phases, and how I sort of, I guess, the colours that resonate with me, that I feel about it. So for example, at the moment, as we're filming this, we are in the tamatia phase, so we're in tamatia kairiki at the moment, and for me, I've highlighted them red because I know that these days can be quite unpredictable. Yeah, can be quite unpredictable, and depending on your activities, they can be quite fiery these days. They can be quite emotional, and so I highlight them red so that I know in my head, oh, okay, be wary of those days because sometimes they might be a little bit unpredictable. But it's however you choose to do it. That's why we kind of create the resources like this so that people can, you add to it what you do. So that's how I do it, and I'm going to share this now. I just start to do my, and I only, because I'm a bit lazy, but I only started to do a couple of months ahead of myself. You'll also see, now you're going to see the next page, it's like a kid's for drawing.
But it's cool.
But
that's cool.
That's cool. That's how I do it. I'm a bit colour.
And there's stickers.
So, and there's stickers coming from Tuhi, just let you all know we're doing a sticker range.
So you can stick it in.
I love stickers. So I fill in what my highlights are of my past year. Please don't zoom in. And then I'm going to do what my learnings were for the year before. And then I kind of set out all my goals. And I just sort of colour code them, different things. Put a little bit of stickers just to make it. And I look at that often, because if you read anything about goal setting and stuff, they always talk about that you've got to always look back on a regular basis what your goals are, otherwise Momo timer. So I always do that. And then
I'm ready.
Okay. This is a bit shy showing my actual pages. Oh my lord. Okay. So these are my actual months how I do it, right? So I colour code it sort of that I know ahead of time. Some things I kind of blank out, so I know during kore phases I kind of just put a bit of a diagonal thing along them because I know they're generally a bit of a low energy, and I try to make myself rest during that time, and also during fiddle. Oh, maybe I liked it. Oh, but
a sticker.
I'll have a sticker over it. Okay. So I normally try to sort of rest along those 2 times, and then I always just kind of either put different activities that I'm doing. Yes, obviously I will just hide that, but it's about on a little bit of a program, so I've got this there. And then so then I put like little comments around things that I've noticed in the, either in the skies or the land or the sea. So only thing that I observed in the last month was the kina are plentiful. So that's the main thing I noticed in January. So everybody had kinas. So it's whatever you notice, but then you can always look back over time and go, oh yeah, that's right, January was really good for kinas that year. And then that's how I kind of do it every year, every month, and I kind of just sort of, oh yeah, here we go, fiddle's done properly. And I just kind of block it out, colour it, and then I start to actually plan all my activities. So yeah, that's enough of seeing my thing. But that's just an idea, and I find that everyone's got their own different styles. Oh, you see, another thing I've done, so future months ahead, I put all the measurements and I put like little prompts, little motivating quotes just to kind of, encourage me. Because probably by about April I'll be wanting to stop this program. So I had little stickers to kind of keep going. Yeah, because I'll probably be whore of it by then. So that's just one way that you can kind of keep yourself focused.
It will be amazing. You just
keep yourself focused and
new kind of videos
and motivated for the months ahead, because it really is all about gotta live with purpose.
Yeah, live with purpose.
Plan your life by design, not by default. So yeah, so that's how I use it. Is enough? Kia ora. However you choose to use your Nga Tohu, we highly encourage you to just make it as beautiful as you like.
But stickers.
Stickers, coloured pens, whatever you like that's actually going to make you love your book and actually use it every day, because that's the key to it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Kia ora.